sorry about that, guys. I'm eating these new Cheetos. They're flaming hot Cheetos. My voice might sound weird because they're really hot. Coco's also attacking my foot.
Give a close-up of those.
Ooh.
Flaming hot.
They're really hot, but they're also really good. Sorry if you can't understand me. Those Cheetos were really hot. And, yeah. Oh, wait, we should probably tell you guys what the video is about. So the topic of the video is, well, you probably already saw from the title, I'm going to be testing some slimes. So let's get into that. So, first slime we're going to be doing is this. We're going to do this one first. This one's humongous. So Aiden's going to be testing out this fluffy slime while I test out this slime. Aiden's going to set up the camera. And I'm going to give Aiden the slime to test and play with because Aiden, we already tested this. Aiden cannot use the slimy slime. This might look like dough. It's fluff slime. We're both going to rate how we think the slimes are. And then we're going to try if we have time to swap slimes. We're also going to make a crazy thumbnail where I'm going to be making a bubble and then holding this out like this. But it's actually going to be like this. So Aiden, set the camera up. Come over here. Oh gosh. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Probably writing my name.
Sorry about the ring light being in the way.
It's a bad reason, guys. No worries. Okay. Aiden, set up the camera. He's gonna. Can you guys see me? I hope you guys.
Sorry about this being out of focus. The shot isn't out of focus for that long, so sorry about that.
See me? Can you see Aiden? Hope you guys can see Aiden. I hope you guys can see Aiden and me. Aiden's going to be testing out. There we go. This slime. And I'm going to be testing out this slime. And then after...
Whoa. Do that again.
Okay.
That's a thumbnail.
No, I don't want it to be the thumbnail. I have a really good thumbnail, guys. So let me make a bubble and show you what the thumbnail is going to be, but Aiden's not going to take the picture yet. Okay? You guys ready? Ready. That's not it. I'm testing. Okay, guys. Ready? Bubble! Whoa. Okay, I made a bubble. And then after I make the bubble...
Let's take it.
Wait. Not yet. I'll make another bubble. Okay, guys.
Alright. This is ring light. Oh yeah, this is our light. This is our source of light.
And then I'm gonna go like this and I go. But make sure you get the bubble in. The bubble just
They didn't see the bubble pop.
I know, but it did pop, guys. It wasn't my fault. It was just like I went, so it kind of is my fault. Whatever. And so set up the camera. Come over here. And
Let's set it up against here.
we're gonna like play with slime, test the slime, and then if we have time, swap, and then we're gonna do the thumbnail, guys. So excited. Actually, you guys already saw the thumbnail, so we might not have time to do the thumbnail on the video. So let's see. Okay, Aiden, ready? Come sit. So first things first, I'm gonna make a bubble. Okay, you guys ready? I'm gonna test and see if this Aiden, come over here. Yes, I will. Aiden doesn't really want to come here. Suck. Oh no, it's stuck.
I'm worried.
It's stuck to my hands, guys. Oh no. Okay, hopefully you can see Aiden. If you can't, then...
My reaction is so priceless.
Oh well. Oh gosh, it's dripping off. This is why Aiden's not allowed to play with this slime. Well, he gets all messy.
Yeah, I'm not gonna touch this slime, but
He's gonna play with this one. It's slime.
I want to play with the cloud slime.
tell them what type of slime that is?
Cloud.
Slime. And like when you stretch it, it's soft. So Aiden's only allowed to play with this slime.
I mean, I am allowed to play with this, but it makes a huge mess, and I'm not very good with slimes, so...
This one's more slimy, so Aiden's allowed that one, but not this one because this one's more slimy.
Whoa. Get a nice long...
Guys, we should probably tell you my... Sorry guys, my breath is...
Wait, let's do a thumbnail. What if we did a thumbnail like this? My slime stretch out and my slime stretch out.
No.
That one makes a good
Are
thumbnail.
doing the bubble. Yeah, we're gonna test this part. We're gonna try to make a swirl. You try to make a swirl with your slime. So you stretch it, connect it, you stretch it, you connect it, you stretch it, you connect it until you want to stop, and then start to swirl. This is a beautiful swirl. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so beautiful. Ready? Oh, that felt so good. Okay, guys. Now, this is what Aiden happens to make. Gets all over his hands like this, and he doesn't know how to keep it from and stop it. Only I do. I'm magical. Okay. So guys, we're gonna tell you what we're doing tomorrow. So what I'm doing tomorrow is we're going to a kid escape room. No clue where. And then after that, we're going with our friends. And then after that, we're gonna go, where are we going? To dinner. Lunch or dinner, Aiden?
It's dinner.
Dinner. No, I think it was lunch. I don't know. But we're going out.
My sister's reaction is definitely priceless.
Holy camole, we gotta take the thumbnail now. Guys, we gotta take the thumbnail.
Before. All right, I got it. All right, guys, do you want to end up this video?
Yeah, but first, let's
Pop the bubble.
boom. I'm gonna make another big bubble like that, and we're gonna leave it for the end. We're gonna walk away, and it's gonna sit here. Aiden's gonna stop the camera so you guys can see that. Okay? Okay. Oh. I'm gonna try to make a big one again. Don't know how I.
That's gonna make such a good thumbnail, like Mariah Elizabeth style.
Sure. We're gonna do that. Okay. Okay, guys, ready?
Oh!
Oh, dang it, guys. I didn't make it, but it was really good. Okay, guys, ready? We're gonna go. Ooh.
I don't think we're gonna get a bigger bubble than that. So I think that would make a good thumbnail.
Wait, guys, I have a good idea. I'm gonna try to make another thumbnail bubble. We're gonna call it the thumbnail bubble because it was awesome, and it was the thumbnail bubble. Anyways. Oh, it keeps on going on. Too far.
No, it's actually sticking to our table.
Yeah, we can get that.
Oh no, it's not anymore.
That's fine. We can get that.
So in conclusion, how are we gonna end this video?
We're gonna walk away with a huge bubble on our screen.
All right. There we go.
If we can do that. Wait. I gotta make a bubble though. You guys?
Oh, I can't stop stretching this.
I know it's really soft. Guys, I did
Alright,
it. I did it. Boom. Bye guys. Hope
Thank
you guys
you for watching
enjoyed
this slime video.
No.
Maybe we should do another one. Maybe we should
Make
do-
sure to
hit the subscribe button.
like and turn on those post
Notifications.
so you don't miss another one like this one. Sadly, the bubble popped. I'm gonna try to make one last final one, and then if that doesn't work, guys, we're just gonna have to say bye. Okay? So let's. Oh, whoa, guys. Don't forget to go subscribe
And if
to
you're
my
already-
friend's channel, Morgan with Friends Together. Sadly, we have some bad update. Not gonna spoil that, but don't forget. Don't. go make sure to go and subscribe, like, and turn those post notifications on her videos so you do not miss another one of her videos. And also watch the update. It's actually really sad. There's part 2 and part 1. Listen, but go watch those. No, there's only part 1. So go watch those.
You're in it.
So I'm in it, yes. She's at my house. She's not right now, but she was. And yeah, go check that out. So let me just make it bubble. And she loves slime, so I hope you're watching Morgan. It's called Morgan with Friends Together. Go check that out. We're gonna try one more time. And if it doesn't work, guys, we just don't have a couple for you guys. But this is the one, guys.
This is the one.
I feel it.
Come on.
This is the last one.
This is the cloud.
I feel it. It's this one, guys. This one. Feel it.
Do it.
Nope.
Oh, guys, I don't think we'll be able to do this.
Well, at least we already got 2 bubbles.
2 really good ones caught on clip. So, unless I'm a really good bubble maker, I don't think it's gonna
All right,
work.
peace.
But I'm gonna be going, guys. So wait, we're gonna try to make an epic swirl, and we're gonna try to clip that onto the end for you guys to see. But we have to go. Bye.
Maybe there should be a part 2.
No, we're just gonna like clip it on at the end. We're gonna take a little picture or a little video clip.
All right, peace.
Peace. So we're gonna take.
Yeah, peace.
Bye. Guys, this tells you that it's good slime. Wow.
Thank you for watching today's video. Make sure you subscribe and ring the notification bell. And make sure you hit the like button on whatever video you are watching. And this will be my outro from now on. And as always, peace out.